All right, Rye, what are we doing?
I'm gonna pull my tooth out while slamming the doorknob.
Oh, oh! Oh, it didn't work! Oh, no.
All right.
Okay, take two. Oh.
I know how to do it.
You don't?
Right.
Just push it.
Ready?
No. Huh?
One,
You don't have to. You don't have to.
Real quick, no, you
You don't want it. Oh, it's already coming off. It's okay. It's okay. We don't have to do it then.
I want to.
You want to?
Okay. Stand back a little bit. Here, it's not on our tooth all the way.
Oh, and it won't work? Oh, it's already off. Let's just pull it.
Let's just twist it off. Okay, I'm kind of confused about how the door works.
We're
Because
supposed to be on the inside, but
Oh.
it's on the outside too.
So if she shuts it that way, it's not going to do anything, is it?
So we need to tie it on this one, right?
Ready?
Are you crying?
No.
Oh.
She's not crying. She's
Just
like,
deep breathing.
oh, I got this. I don't got this. I don't. Oh no, oh, I got that. It's sort of like
Just let Rylan do the door.
No.
You want Landon to do the door?
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's
Wait, when?
Tell me when. Mom, can you video it with my phone?
No, I'll send it to you.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Wait, Mom. You do the countdown.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ow!
Sorry, Luke.
You did
I'm sorry. Look, show Mom. I'm sorry. Let me see your tooth. Let me see. Smile.
You did.
Oh my goodness. You're like a jack-o'-lantern. Okay, come here. Come here.
Did it hurt or no?
Rylan, show me. Say cheese. Oh my goodness.
Does it feel funny?
I haven't felt it yet.
Okay. Yeah, it's just bleeding a little bit, huh?
Let me
You
see.
are awesome.
I think I scared your cousin.
You scared the
Oh my gosh, poor Pepper.
dog. Yeah, Pepper does too. Pepper's a little bit.
You want to go look in the mirror?
Uh-huh.
I feel like I'm at hard on the door now. I feel
Can you see?
Uh-uh.
You want me to lift you up? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. You like it? You look so big. Look at that big old hole. Holy moly. Haha. Holy,
Are
holy.
you filming?
Yeah. Show me the tooth.
But in,
Where's the tooth?
it's in here.
Wow, that's a big tooth. Are you happy we did that?
Uh-huh.
You are? I'm sorry I screamed and freaked out.
Screamed so loud.
It was really traumatic for mommy, I think.
Like on the video, we should put it in slow motion.